Get a bite, we like, get a bite.
Hi kids!
Hi.
Do you know what we're playing today?
No.
Something fun. We went to the reject shop and we saw some squishies. And they're selling it for $2. Are you excited to see what squishies we're gonna get?
Yay! Are we having a bunch of them?
We're gonna have a bunch of them and then you guys gonna open the blind bag and see what's inside. Yeah, all.
Like this all?
Yeah, like that all. Alright, mommy, gonna get ready.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We got one. We got one.
Oh.
Two.
I don't know which one. I think I want the...
Three.
I want the purple one.
Four.
Hi.
Five. Six.
Cookie! The cookie one! No, not this.
And 7, 8.
There's a lot of squishies. Let me see what are they. So this is what we found in the reject shop this afternoon. It's called Squeeze Me, slow rising squishy toys. Collect all 10 designs. And the good thing is, it's only $2. It's a bargain. Alright guys, shall we open it and see what we have in there?
Yeah. Where's the pie?
Yours is a pie.
All day.
I got a hamburger! Love it!
Let's see what Mavis have in the next blind bag. We've got a coffee, a cup of coffee. Is it squishy as well?
Yes.
Oh, this, whose favorite is that?
Mommy.
Mommy loves coffee. That's
Mommy
right.
loves coffee.
And Aiden's turn.
Hi.
Not mine. It's the popcorn one. Oh, the hot dog one!
Aiden, how come you get all the bread?
Aiden got a hot dog.
I already eat that.
You already eat that?
Yeah.
Okay. You must be very full now.
But what does it smell like, guys? Does it smell like the food itself?
Candy.
It smells like candy, something sweet.
My turn again. Dada.
Let's see what else Mavis have the next one. What is that? Look excited. That's so cool. That's an ice cream cone. What's the next one for Aiden? Aiden got ice cream too. He's got popsicles.
Nice. Cheers.
Is that the second last one?
It's the last one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the cookie!
Oh, that's a very colorful cookie. Man, these squishies are awesome. It's only like $2 from the reject shop. Wow.
Aiden, you got the star!
We got a shooting star. Let's squash it all up.
I love the cookie. The cookie looks really cute.
I think it all looks pretty awesome.
Do you like that?
Yes, I like this.
Which
This
one?
is your favorite,
Which
isn't
one is
it?
your favorite, Aiden?
I like this. Yeah.
Cool. Alright, let Daddy do a magic for you guys. Look at that. I got a hot dog. I'm gonna put it into my hand. Alright, and I'm gonna do like,
No.
and it's gonna become a
No.
hamburger. Du, 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 du. How many squishies are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. Where we yours?
How many squishies you have, Aiden?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is
No.
mine.
That's silly. What's the song? You sound like Donald Duck.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah.
Aiden, eat cookie.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Really?
Maybe slick eye. Ooh. Eating everything.
He ate everything and then he fought my friend. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, far so high, like the diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye!